These are the elevators at Reed Library South. Reed Library North does not have an elevator, just a wheelchair lift at SUNY Fredonia and Fredonia, New York. This is a set of two, but they're across from each other. Older Otis Series 1 elevators. This one. Up to 4. Because the north part of the library is just like one floor of a mezzanine. There's just a wheelchair lift going up to that mezzanine. Here we go. This is also known as the Carnahan Jackson Center. Here are 4. Right down the lobby. ADA phone's a Janus phone. It's a basic Otis elevator. This is probably from the late 80s or early 90s, maybe even mid 80s. The buttons are in good shape. The indicator's not in the best shape though. You're back to the lobby. It has pretty doors. Closing that's gonna be it.